Hello, that is the wings. Now I just finished to strip everything down, and that is ready to go. I remove the paint and around the rivet and around the edge, and everything look okay, look good. I'm pretty satisfied. Look clean on both sides. So I have other parts on to be done there. As for beaver plane and other parts over here too. And that is the beautiful helicopter I need to be done. All of it. Sand the fiberglass and do some aluminium too. Prepare with acid and allodyne. But it's what it is. All the parts is there. Some is really done. That part is done. That the two, the door, both doors done. You just need a good clean up and everything and do acid and allodyne. But yes, that is done. That the two are done. And that nice helicopter is mostly done too. Primer and some caulking on around the edge. So I will turn around to show you a little bit the job. And that is all the parts is done, ready to go. So you see all on around the edge, the caulking is done. Because you strip everything the plane, you need to remove all the caulking too. So tomorrow I will do the top. You see, as I have more prime to do and sand or two. So I need to prepare that tomorrow in the evening. But that project is mostly done to be ready for paint and do some design. So I'm like so excited for that job.